Nice one. So basically, guys, I got a piece of a ginger right here, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how to make this beautiful tea this evening. All right, now what we're going to do, we're going to grate a piece of fresh ginger. Very good for weight loss, and it's good to drink before you even go to your bed. All right, so you're going to grate just a little piece of a fresh ginger. Not much. All right. Nice one. Once you grate your ginger, all right, you want to grate 2 cloves of garlic or 1 clove of garlic. We're gonna get another cloves of garlic. All right. Lovely. Once you grate your garlic, all right, it's a simple recipe, guys. Get your cup, all right, just like this, as you can see for yourself. All right, we got the cup ready. We got some hot water ready. So the ginger and the garlic in this. So you're gonna work out the roughly about a nice, good, lovely tablespoon of ginger and garlic together. Pour it straight into the cup. And what you want to do, pour some hot water into the cup like this. All right. Once you pour the hot water into the cup, give it a mix. All right, we're not going to be using any lemon. We're going to use some cloves inside of it. So put a few cloves inside of it like this. All right, enjoy the recipe, and I will definitely give you some more tips and more ideas of recipe where you can drink at night or in the evening before you go to bed. Very powerful home remedy for you guys to give this a try at home. All right, if you are interested enough trying something totally different, then this will be a very healthy drink. Well, you can put some honey if you like to, but it doesn't need any honey. I would just drink it natural like this, if you guys like natural tea and natural home remedy. All right, this one is just a new one which I want to share with you, and I know you guys see many of the recipes which you're going to be seeing coming, different kind of ideas and different kind of recipes will be coming for you. That's you guys can enjoy the beautiful recipes and the home recipes at home. It's good to make something totally different when you are in the kitchen at home. All right, guys, so stay tuned in with